More importantly than just developing really strong nurses, particularly within our program, what we're doing is we're trying to shape really great human beings. Our faculty that have over 500 years of combined experience in the field, that's exactly what they do each and every day.
And it's a great, rigorous program, but it's not just that. It's the faculty are really going to care about you and help you to get to that point.
It's really important to really be driven by a desire to work with patients to improve the health of others. We provide you an opportunity in which to do that.
Even though we're an online virtual program, we really try to make you feel like you're part of the Creighton family. There are times where we have synchronous events with students, so we do have that FaceTime, you get to know faculty. And then we also have times where we bring people on campus. We have this wonderful new simulation center. It is amazing at what can be done here.
We have several different tracks, and we have a lot of different options for students looking to specialize in a unique area. From inquiry to the program all the way through to commencement, our job is solely focused on student success.
It could be, I don't know who to talk to, but I have this question, or I need additional resources, or maybe I need to take some time off. How does that work? I work with students to answer those types of questions along with our faculty advisor.
We're here for student success, and we're here for meaningful learning opportunities, and so we can really create the best nurses that we can.